This video is going to be a deep dive video on how you can start making money on KAITO. Now, if you've been on Twitter recently, a lot of persons have been posting their wins from KAITO. Some persons $200, $500, $1,000, and even up to $5,000. I've seen a lot more numbers, but a lot of persons are really making money from KAITO, and that is why I've decided to make a video about it. Now, sometimes you might be wondering, only big influencers get these allocations from this airdrop, but the truth is, this is actually false. I've seen a lot of accounts with less than 100 followers and even less than 1,000 followers getting up to $200, $300 from KAITO airdrop, and I'm going to show you how you can start doing it by yourself in this video. So if content like this is helpful to you, make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So let's start with, what is KAITO? According to what is written here, it says KAITO is the distribution powerhouse of crypto for attention, data and capital powered by AI. Now, what their platform is actually doing is leveraging artificial intelligence to help users navigate and extract insights from complex and fragmented informations in the world of crypto. Now, let's go into a deep dive on how you can start earning from airdrops listed under KAITO. To do that, I'm going to start off with this tweet right here, which is the next Pretty GE Yappa leaderboard is live with Caldera. Find out who is driving forward their mind share across city with the reward plan for Yappas. This particular guys right here are going to give reward for talking about them on Twitter and some other platforms like that, specifically Twitter a lot. If you scroll down, you can see a lot more posts. Recently, Aptos actually allocated $100,000 in monthly reward for those that will be talking about Aptos. Now, this might be a little bit difficult, but $100,000 for 100 persons is actually $1,000 each, which some persons can make money from it. So what you can do is start exploring the ecosystem, talking about the ecosystem and making money from it. Now, recently we had Mantu gave out $200 to people talking about them on Twitter. So how do you get started with KAITO? It's simple. You start out by going to their website, yaps.kaito. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so do want to check out the link and get started right away. Alright, so this is the home page for it. Now, just in case you're having issues with this website not opening up completely, you can try to turn on your VPN. So mine, I turned on my VPN right here. So if you don't have a VPN, even on your phone, you can just go ahead and install one VPN, then turn it on, and the website would be able to open up. Alright, so next you want to click on sign in. So you need a Twitter account to do this. So I'm going to click on sign in, select Twitter, and you can see success. I'm going to click on continue. So I need to authorize my account, and don't worry, they are not having much. They're not going to have authority to do crazy things with your account. So just click on authorize app. Alright, so it's going to open up like this. Well, now how do you find out platforms you can start yapping about so you get eligible for their tokens? It's simple. Come to this Yappas leaderboard. I'm going to click on it, and over here you can see this Pretty GE community leaderboard, and here you can see Post GE community leaderboard. So Pretty GE is actually those ones that are yet to launch their token, right? While these are the ones that already have their token, but you can still talk about them to get rewarded for their airdrop. So I'm going to start off by picking anyone from Pretty GE. So let's go with Mitosis, for instance. So you can see the mind share for Mitosis, and you can see list of the top 10. Okay, so let's go down a little, and we are going to find people within the top 10. So this guy right here is the first person. If I click on it right here, you should be able to find out what his account is about and who he is. So let's see. So this guy is actually Mitosis Maxi, and he just have barely 2,190 something followers, and he's number one. So tell me, what is the thing you need again? If this guy with 2,000 followers is going to be number one on it's actually number one talking about Mitosis, what else is your excuse? Barely 2,000 followers. So the next guy, let's try to look at his Twitter page. I want to see if he's someone that works with Mitosis or something. So this guy is does stuff around Cosmos ecosystem, so it's easier for him to actually get a lot of points from that. All right, so now you've seen a list of the top guys over here, right? Now, the interesting thing is even this guy is barely 24,000 followers, which might be much for some persons, but like you know that it's quite easier for you to climb this leaderboard. Some of you might be thinking, oh, this is going to be very, very difficult and all that, but I'm seeing a lot of persons I already know that is in the top 100. Now note that this airdrop is not just going to be given to people in the top 100. Other persons are going to be eligible for the airdrop, but you know that the higher your rank, the more airdrop you actually get. Okay, so now how do you start making money from some of these airdrops, starting with mitosis? So over here you can see the mind share. This guy occupies 0.87% of the mind share, and you can see what he published here, casual or hardcore. So if it's casual, you're going to see it ranked based on this. I think what he published most times is hardcore, so that's why he has he's climbing the leaderboard faster. And then sheet poster and curator, and then copy pasta and creative. So that's basically it. If you want to find out what these guys are posting, it's simple. So let's say for this first guy right here, if I go to his page, I want to show you what this guy is actually posting, so you can see. If you're not going to copy him, but like try to do similar thing he's doing. So you can see right here, mitosis, am I too late? He posted a thread 25th of April, and even though he doesn't have a lot of followers, but like he got 13,000 views, which is actually very, very good. And you can see the beautiful thread he wrote right here. So you want to explore, and if you want to like get a similar thread like this, Grok can actually help you do it. You can see what he actually tweeted. Now what you can do is to start talking about mitosis a lot on your Twitter account. Make a thread about it. Like it should be something very, very creative and educative. People would want to listen to it. Now you can also look for other posts he has made by typing mitosis right here, and it's going to give you a list of, like, this guy talks about mitosis. Yesterday he posted about mitosis, so it seems like every day this guy talks about mitosis. So it takes a lot of work actually for you. So but you can see a lot of stuff he's been doing, so you can start replicating some of the things he's doing. And then another thing is you can also try to follow him and try to be active on like what he's doing, like respond, since he's like among the leaders in this leaderboard right here. You can actually try to respond to some of his posts related to mitosis. You might be getting yourself helping yourself get some point that will help you climb the leaderboard. So a post like this, for instance, he posted this today 2nd, right? And then what you can do is to reply, and even if you don't know what to reply, like you don't want to spend time to read, you can use Grok to summarize it, and it's going to help you summarize it, and then tell you to give you a response. Type it right, it's going to give you the response. So I don't know if Grok is available for everyone or it's just for people that have Twitter Blue, because I actually paid for Twitter Blue. So I don't know, but you can check that very well, and it's going to give you a response. You can respond, post about them on your Twitter and all of that, and you can connect with some of these guys, like the top 10, top 20. Try to always comment and do stuff with what they are talking about and all of that, and that way you're going to climb the leaderboard. Now note that your points actually start counting after 24 hours. I just joined KAITO today, funny enough, because you can see I've not earned any points so far, but now I'm going to start talking about projects a lot, and after 24 hours you see the total yaps you've been able to earn from a particular project. Okay, so that is basically how it works. So you can see even this Caldera, which they posted on their page 1 hour ago, that they've been accepted to on KAITO. So you can see them right here. It is still very, very early for a project like this, so you can start climbing the leaderboards for some of these projects very, very early. Now note that if a project has a lot of hype, it might be a little bit difficult for you to climb the leaderboard. What you want to do is to climb the leaderboard, right? Even though you know that you're still going to get the airdrop, whether you climb the leaderboard or not. But like not every person, I don't think every person gets the airdrop. Maybe a certain amount of persons get the airdrop, but sometimes these projects are quite specific as to whether they want the top 100 or top 500, or like sometimes they give you some of these figures, so you know that you actually have to climb the leaderboards for you to be able to get some of these airdrops. So that is basically what you're going to do, and I wouldn't say you should focus on just one project and yap about it. You can focus on multiple projects. Theoric is actually a very good one. Sophon is good now. Union is good. Thrive Protocol is good. Soon is okay. Monad, I don't know, it's going to be a lot difficult for you to climb that leaderboard for Monad. But like Humanity Protocol, Mega ETH, Mitosis, like these guys are going to do like good airdrops, so you might most likely be getting a lot from it. So why not just try to start talking about them, make a lot of research before you start talking about them, post things that are creative about them, and then that way you are going to climb the leaderboard easily. And when the airdrop goes live, you should be able to claim your airdrop. If you go to your just picture icon right here, you see a section to impute your wallet. So there's a Solana wallet and an Ethereum wallet. I've not actually done mine. I will do that later today. So once you input your wallet, anytime there's an airdrop, you would obviously be able to claim it right from here, and it is that easy. Right, and another thing you should also look out for is your smart followers. So I have about 25 smart followers, and you want to generate your social card. So you can see my social card right here. So we can share the social card on Twitter by clicking on share on Twitter, and this is going to automatically open up this post on Twitter, and you can just post it right away. And I think like it's necessary to post this. It's gonna just yap early, yap only, blah blah blah. So you post it, but I've done this already, so I'm not gonna do it again. So for you that are starting out, you need to actually do it, and then you can copy your link and share your link to people. Now, just in case, I actually talked about using my link, using the website before, right? Now that website, even if you sign up with it and you don't yap, or you're not active on any of these things, it's not going to, the points are not going to count for me. So it's actually useless when you sign up without doing anything. So make sure you're going to be very, very active if you're going to use my link in the description to sign up. So guys, this is all of it about KAITO airdrop and how you can start getting. And also you can also participate in the Prestige. Mantle is still doing like a very good airdrop. Say you can start talking about them. Wayfinder did a very, very good airdrop. So you can look out for these ones that are already that have their tokens already. Sometimes their requirements are quite small and easier for you to climb. So go ahead and explore them and start talking about them on Twitter a lot, and that way you should be able to make a lot of money for yourself from using KAITO in a month. And don't forget to always check out for the VPN you're using. It's very, very important if the website is actually giving you issues. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.